Take a ride in the 2020 A5. The Audi A5 is a great car. A great drive and superb engines are included standard. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, speed control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.